Hello, everyone. Welcome back. Thank you so much for joining me today. Today, we are in the great community of Meridiana, one of the Houston's newest communities. Now, Meridiana is located in Manville, Texas, which is located near Pearland, Texas, right off of 288. Now, Meridiana has multiple builders, and this builder that we're currently viewing is Dries Custom Homes. The model is called the Braylon 2. Now, this one or two-story home, it is between 3 and 5 bedrooms, and you could customize it to make it between 3.5 and 5.5 bathrooms. This particular home that we're going to view today, they have added 2 offices and 1 media room. Now, the square footage is going to vary based off of your additions to the home that you choose to add. So the base square footage is going to be 2,964, and the starting price is going to be in the high $500,000 range. Now, this community is Meridiana again, and it is growing and continuously growing. They do currently have one on-site elementary school, which is Meridiana Elementary. The middle school is Cafe Junior High, and the high school is going to be Manville High School. In the future, they are planning on building additional schools on site. So if you're thinking about moving to this community, you want to make sure that you do know, number one, what school the children will be zoned to, and number two, if there's any future plans of building additional schools on site where they're going to be rezoning your children to new schools. And if you are interested in new weekly videos on different communities around the Houston metropolitan area, please hit that like, subscribe, and that bell to be notified. And if you don't know who I am Linda Blue, your new home consultant, helping you create the ultimate blueprint for all of your real estate needs. Make sure you leave a comment below about this house, the builder, or any other real estate questions. I'll be more than happy to answer it. Thank you so much for watching again. Enjoy the rest of the tour.